be serving you with curl cap.
You are buying you, be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, welcome back. Bad hair day. This is an old braid out and it's not looking so cute today. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my curl cap that I purchased a week ago. So I've been following Curl Cap on Instagram for a few months now, and OMG, I love their hats. So this is a hat that's specially designed for people with natural hair / curly hair. I feel like all hair types can rock this hat, but it's really for people that are on a healthy hair journey and trying to keep their hair protected. The best part about this hat, it's satin. It's satin material. And that's the best thing you can have for your hair. Where they do that at? I'll wait. Curl cap. Curl cap, you came all the way through with this one. This is so simple and easy to just throw on. If you have to just get up and go, like me, sometimes I don't feel like doing my hair. Like right now, I have to go, and I don't feel like combing out this braid out and doing a ponytail or anything. I'm gonna show you guys soon. I'm just showing you guys the cap that it has this space in the back where all your hair can come through. It fits so perfect. I can't fit all this hair in one of those little polo hats. It's so hard. So with this space in the back, it's amazing. It's stretchy. They have it in so many different cute colors. Like, just go on their Instagram page. I'm gonna leave the name on the screen and also in the description, and you'll see all the different colors that they have. And it's not tight. You know how some caps it squeeze in the back? No, it's not tight at all. It's just perfect. It's the perfect cap. So I'm gonna show you guys 2 ways how I wear this cap. By the way, let me make it clear, guys, this video was not sponsored. This is just my honest review on this cap because it's awesome. Oh, I forgot to mention that I am currently transitioning from relaxed hair to natural, so I'm not a 100% curly girl as yet, but I'm getting there. So it's either you could wear it like this, protecting my face from the sun, yes, serving you with quick, simple, easy, and cute look to just grab a hat and go. Or if you want a ponytail, nothing too sleek or too much, just a quick one. Wait there. Hold on there. About this. About that. A Krissy that. I wish girl that. Oh that. It's me. Serving you with curl cap looks. That was just so easy and so simple. Oh my god. Like, curl cap, where have you been all my life? So you can find them on Instagram at curl cap. She makes them herself. They're handmade. I think y'all should check them out because they have a lot of different colors that you might like. I just choose black because black goes with anything and everything. But eventually I'll be getting more colors, because now that I have this one and I see how amazing it works, like it's so simple and easy, I'll be getting more colors. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, please subscribe and make sure you hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. Thank you guys again for watching. Peace.